Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn with me 2525. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to ensure your text descriptions stay within character limit using the Len function and conditional formatting in Excel. This method is particularly useful when you are preparing data for importing into systems with a strict character requirement. So let's take a closer look at the entries. We have various categories of expenditure, including supplier furniture and printing and maintenance, all of this. And with each entry comes with a brief description. It's important to remember that these descriptions should not exceed 30 characters. The len function is to count the number of characters in the text string. First, let's select the cell that contains our description. Let's be 2. Next, go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting, and then select New Rule. In a new formatting rule dialog box, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here is the key step. Enter the following formula: equal len bracket b2 close the bracket more than 30. The len function calculates the number of characters in a cell. In this formula, if the length of the text in cell B2 exceeds 30 characters, it triggers the conditional formatting we will set next. Click on the Format button. In the Format Cell dialog box, go to the Fill tab and select the color. We will choose the red. After selecting your color, click OK to close the Format Cell dialog box, and then OK again to apply the rule to the cell. Now return to conditional formatting. Go to the Manage Rules. Change the range for this rule from B2 to B7 and press Apply and OK. As you can see, any description that exceeds 30 characters is now highlighted in red. This makes it super easy to spot and fix any issues before exporting. Now let's correct the description that is too long. Simply shorten it to meet the 30 character limit and the red highlight will disappear. And that's it. Now you know how to use the len function and conditional formatting to keep your description in check. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with anyone who may benefit, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me keep making more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.